Wahab ewo ahomano eso. Wahab, good morning.
Good morning, yeah.
Now Patrick is saying. Nyame adom me pacho anope me pese jase ne oyama yenda no yesua de kakra enra me hu a very terrible video ewo internet so achese otumi se nra yese ye nuanom South Africa for afede de omo ye ne se Canadian no omo ye na bi omo bubo ranko for shop mu a no omo yiyi mu niema enkofo adan omo tu omo free mu ni ade ba ye ni kan hyase asemi ba ya che ye de hu komo bia adanti na at any point in time who mo anu what South Africa nko ade wo ma sori se omo pam obi afi wo mu krom.
Yeah, I'm in chair, chief. I find it very absurd. Say you say ENRA AUD and I say African Union D.
Yeah.
I'll be very harsh and use the stronger words, which normally is not my way. AU is one of the most useless organizations of the world. African Union, which we are all part. African Union, in my view, and they said, a congregation of 56, call it 54 because there are other main lines, other lands like St. Anthony Maumon joined.
Yeah.
But are dealing in 54 countries. Yani the biggest organization of the world next to the United Nations. Yani the most populated organization of the world next to United Nations. Yani one of the oldest apart from the UN.
Okay.
Any organization on earth. Now over check it. Now share the members. Any the bigger continent. Any the bigger youthful population in Yamanema. Now you should buy any you ask yourself what organization that would belong to. I'm saying all this because South Africa is a key ally, a key member, and then a strong member of the African Union.
Yeah.
South Africa, in 2002, the Durban, the queer friend Durban, could change the name as you and I used to know, OAU, Organization of African Unity. And then when they decide to modify them, the African Union, to have a more organic and broader sense, because no say OAU and share that Nyaman institution and to modify no, not any new energy. They said they will product to be rebranded.
Yeah.
So they rebranded the African Union or Organization of African Union to African Union. That was Durban. President Kofi Annan President Thabo Mbeki and an certain president on the GC in Nassau. President Obasanjo, President Olusegun Obasanjo, President Mugabe. These were the ranking members of the African Union. What was the pillar of the rebranding? Your charter, your declaration, your name, Yan Sanya, or your son, or you come, free movement of the national citizens of the African continent. And to me, means that will be a team could be a close without any problem. Anything, right of stay to enable me to meet my South Africa as an African citizen from Ghana. Akoto resident permit without any hassle about it because I global village. Anything right to do business among ourselves. And no, and I find that chair cry a big developer after. And yet the white elephant after Kabisi Accra, Abra Togo Nigana any business here. All these things were taking place and that it took place in South Africa. Durban, and especially immigration. Over year 2002, Ghana by only Kenya, only some few countries. Kenya began the border. Emma, some of the countries say do airport and San Juan visa. And I say country which is Ghana and Obi and home visa free. Ubi airport Kwabena. Other countries here, Ghana, my border say Africans can enter Ghana and take visas on arrival. Countries they no more visa free here or move them on the visa or airport. South Africa, they never opened, even where the laws were enacted. As we speak, only Nigeria, only more or less any visa. But here is the case. Useless because say enyama ekoso no up to today His Excellency your mama and Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa, they played a very nice role in this. But this is how we solve diplomatic issues that involves the nationals and fact they can't to go in fact Cote d'Ivoire. So who was that problem with? Now Saboka, Yakofa Yamkua 300. Before said country, because we have voluntary repatriation for 300 people. Higher nationals cause they are trapped because of the conditions meted out to them. No. What you do is say, that country no need diplomat or crew. Said the own pound. But yeah, dear was South Africa. What for so who say when you are there, yeah, dear, and old friend of Maneba.
About back. Ambassador no honor.
Yes.
Okay.
Old friend say when you're there, Omra. Now with the foreign service personnel in the Omo, Omba organizing, to announce to South African government over this. I am not happy. Ghana is not happy. We are bringing our ambassador, head of a high commissioner back so for consultations. Now we begin have. Now we have foreign service HOC for head of consular service. Any Omar Kanu Jomho, Omit my organization was because at the end of the day, Omar a ambassador, not near high commissioner. Omo Diana Wahan, no way now Kano. Not sure how they will react. Nemo Nigeria 1 year media. South Africa ambassador, high commissioner in Nigeria, or that you hope. Nigeria high commissioner in South Africa, or that you hope. Gambia, or that you hope. Media or Ewaha. So if you look at this from all these points, Tanzania issued strong warning. Also, among South African citizens cry and make room. But when Timmy has fairly South African ambassador, high commissioner, and on fair or not so media. I'm taking this sequence and series for us to understand the approach of the Africans and the African Union members over the South African issue. Nelson Mandela went stays on power from 1994 up to 1999. Mandela be free mono, not his presence. Mandela free mono. Tabo Mbeki at time and the start here. Tabo Mbeki time on the start is Xenophobic attack. First one. And send a Zuma back to back. Zuma Habu too. Cyril Ramaphosa, the third time. And look at the sequence. Yes, Mandela Ebeji Free Abrofoni Semno. Not the whole world. A brand new mapum. In Chese, that would man no. Why the Juma? Now Juma Bayano. Of course, when man creates employment, you can want to me. Or no, or better, or reconciliation and then reorganizing of the South African institution. Our so South African forum or say, my empire banning second year from the Chidoma into Debbie, name of institution, Gyamfi as young room, and no human obey. Into Papa no bread, so I bread, or them 27 years, or Babaji or out, be 2 years, but I be leader for 5 years. He was commonly tired and what the matter boom Becky. Tabon Becky Bayano. And Yama Ness and Koye. And Yama Ness or the Google Aquam, not South Africa for any for Tutum, Aboma public and government civil services. I had the police, if you had the one would have expected Sen Yama Besina. And no mutism politics Niska Rianiska. And when the South African youth started to attacking on Tabon Becky and diverted the attention of the black man or the black South African said. That's now what the girl said in 2000, in 2001, 2002, leading to 2002 more, and a double break first term. No, how many? And I know now Ghana phone starting cohort, now Nigeria phone starting cohort, a chair answer, and Uncle for starting so much. Double Becky didn't solve the issue of xenophobic attack because they diverted political attention of their laziness and bad governance. And this is Bawumia Campaign. South Africa is the only country on the African continent, now our budget surplus. Our budget surplus, the budget Tebika, Abrofuni Jeska, heavy, and on Baby Discano. Tabon Bekimun Saturday. Out of that, and in the inefficiency, and Jacob Zuma, who was also a militant within the ANC, the woman and a militant, Mozambique, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Ghana, Ghana passport, Tabon Beki, Jacob Zuma, any Oliver Tambo, Watala Susulu, Maria Makeba, they were all using Ghana passport. They were all using Mozambique passport. They were all using Zambian passport. They all used Zimbabwe passport because they were not part of the South African citizenship. I'm talking about the ANC then.
Okay.
Zuma Bayano. Zambia or Benya political upheaval, any problem Biano, no matter trigger. That time no the started Jacob Zuma. Wow, kwatina Mozambique. Na ye militant and ANC for power apartheid system. Amuni woma mutim survive wom kumdo na. That time between this region neka. Any rap Sarah Ramaphosa we. No we now exile. And also this stage here. And we started that time na Ghana ni enka Nigeria. Omo ha ni say Nigeria fa jomma. Omo ha ni say omo toka mo ma. Omo ha ni say Nigeria fa yi say. Omo ya draft omo ye say. Is it not the police? Omo jina ho ada yekum Nigeria ni ba menka no onyima omo eyi ni ba ekum na police po jina ho they were nothing. South Africa has one of the best security and policing system in the world, in Africa, and can compete with most of the European countries. Yemusa said xenophobic attack. It doesn't start from a day. It doesn't start from a distance.
Sure.
You have internet and crime youth. When you're Gen Z, this is not a Gen Z. This is the serious South African adult program. Anytime, President Ubakaya Zuma, any problem. I'll be a vote of no confidence. First one, the Rokuna Komutunu, and no survive here. Second one, and a Sarah Ramaphosa, we, Zuma, pushing out. Due to what? Negligence, unemployment, this, and the financial scams, baby under Zuma. And no one yet came, Mr. Obakaya, jailing 2 years. That time, no, you see the xenophobic attack to divert attention of the South African judiciary and then the noise, his popularity. Anytime a problem, Baba Zuma, no. It is the same thing around Sarah Ramaphosa. Obaye unpopular during the first regime. The first regime, the first 5 years, and then Ramaphosa here. You confess Sika, which is the master to see Amenoka say, original impeachment. Sika over £4 million, in the farm. Sika over 5 billion South African rands, on the farms. Dollars from you uncountable. The farms, other than the was say, who as a president? I said, this Akoto Bank. And now you can buy other than farms, American. That issue was what? Before the election, I know no need Malema. What try I suppose for the Malema too? Yes, so because he's the one hammering the issue and calling for the impeachment. And to a person, say they impeachment there. Who Malema no dikakum. So they organize the ANC government of all the 3 presidents after Nelson Mandela, and no more organize it. Anytime their government is becoming unpopular, then they use the xenophobic street boys to go and do what they are doing, because the point is that South African President Waba Nelson the Empire Council, our creating employment of even 2% to add up. National Abrafun developed the whole country. South Africa new road. On your Juma. Only city on your community social services and then social infrastructure. South Africa need only their small shanty towns. And your community, there's what said, but when you're talking about government high roads, government institutions, Wabaha, PW, every institution, and they receive one of the best salaries as South Africans. Up to now, all welfare service, welfare, you cheer about when South Africa, cheer and cracker, one more free school education. And to we are president, or problem, they say, what's your whole Julia, Juma? I will be anywhere, why just South Africa, Juma? Ghana for 90% of the Ghanaians, the money member, meaning said will be a bishop. Where suffer, that was Ghana. I also saw South Africa, or no Musa hairdresser. Ghana need all South Africa beyond Mako mechanics. We mechanics near Kuma and Nukrano. You need South African mechanic in the neighborhood like let's say Dansuman, who never could be my physical type. Our one area, Congo, Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, all their mechanics. In Juma Kwaji and Juma, Woman address in South Africa, you get Bienwa. It's been a good chroma. Moko Joe South Africa forget Abetna. And in Yama Omuya Kroma. Muncha Bakoko in Tribo. Moncha baku go nim way to fix it. Ghana for no fix one way. Anything first no. Who South Africa ni baby ya what try to see dankat. Then get to try to see dankat say and then the catch is not true. Because they didn't have abrofuna woman bomuti and abrofunu no bianco uncle bochi, Mali for uncle bochi, Ghana for uncle bochi. Weeks of today, I buy a week. South Africa ni besha wiga. Senya Ghana ni ono obana mu ko mobi nshamano. Enye Nigeria ni mobi nshamano. Enye Cote d'Ivoire ni mobi nshamano because there's no South African hairdresser. Fine work for Juma. Now you're talking about phone shops.
Yeah.
You're quite cheap. Nigeria for the phone shops in now. You're quite pamu there because the old Ghana. Now me I'm not talking about the feeling Nyama said woman.
Yeah.
Nemo can stop. That was circle. Yeah, phone say I was a circle. Phone say I was a circle. That I'm not gonna for boys in a way. They didn't like it. They saw phone business as no nothing. And a lot of money kai and Koje. And now and yes you who say phone business come. Your cost to acquire titolena. You're bringing as much as many as nearly 5,000 to 10,000 active boys and girls are running the phone industry. How many of them are Nigerians? Good number of them. Afe Nyako, Yapamu.
There be.
Then Nigeria for phone shops.
There be.
Bigger shops, smaller shops in a lot of phone there. Omkwa Naji shops in Gumbia Mahagana. Yapamu. There be. In South Africa. Was in Nigeria for Mema at the Toka Mumuma. South Africa was a lot of for Edu Mumabaga in Nigeria. Ebe big the video. Video guests in South Africa for guests. And their boys are the most ladies in the world. They're jealous. Yes, of course. They don't work because white man who baby or farm near there or the South African needs to find a juma or bad there at the actual because juma union is strong. It will be a juma 2-3 days a pair or so I run your juma beam. Go needing to me unity and so said Chianica. It's done at the end of 1 foul. 1 foul. Into government offices. Civil services, what were been the police? What were been the what were a doctors that Omia home fiako? I don't know more Palm Street, say woman by Dan, Omo come hospital, Palm doctors. I don't know more come English schools, South African schools, one way English country, Boniama, South African black permanent English near the chair. What did they do? And you can't afford a question South Africa post Nelson Mandela by 94, or by Ghanaian ticket. Nigeria form Ombi. Till today as we speak. Boys didn't quite a seminar. One way or the other, home English master was a Ghanaian. Other home domunko pamu. Why don't they charge their professionals? Your orthopedic surgeon, one of the best in the world, were Ghanaian or South Africa, but were one of the best in the world. Other non domunko pamu. So you look at this, they choose and pick what they want to do. Because a certain president called Cyril Ramaphosa or impeachment. He started last year when he was about to lose election. And we had nationalist approach said, no, we trigger boys from a chief. Say, I want to say, and what did that to go through election or the winning year? So say impeachment in Abba. Look at the correspondence and look at the one melema problem opposed to push agenda at any tool. And a melema so expose you because he's always the one holding the evidences of Nyaman who pushing the South African administration over on a crime. No. So you can't have $4 million up to now dollars, £4 million in sales can won't justify it. And you know the xenophobic attack in Abba. They raised the bar of security of the country. How did they raise the bar? When they raised the bar, a state of emergency. Or better television, so Mamunka Ghana for and your Oma, Mamunka Nigeria for and your Oma, Mamunka will say, where is the African Union? Which country in Africa? We've had Tunisia uprising. We've had Egypt near Darden, and near Oma among themselves are only two Omo government. That is the difference in Arab Spring. Arab Spring one concern Nigeria in Amono. Arab Spring one accuse Ghana and Libya. But xenophobic attack of its day, modern day, in the whole entire Africa. It's a country on who go through apartheid. It's a country on who call racial segregation. In a country, the black man was not raised, was a race, but not a citizen of South Africa. Until 1994. How many of them? Ramaphosa, Bawumia political actors, fine. South Africa was nice to the and who passport to that. Boys, yes, and gets home, mommy, no papa. Why not who passport to that? Because they were not even qualified with the South African population rate. They were not part of it. Now, yeah, sacrificed here was a country as the only country that went to United Nations and told them, say, until South Africa Ghana sacrificing, Ghana passport does not go to South Africa. Well, you don't have your black passport first, and then go to South Africa. This is how we protested for them. Now, His Excellency, your mama, they are not out of history. They know all this history. Next is South Africa. We are fighting. Yetimako, African, Yetimako, your friends, the UN. After pressing the agenda of what? Reparation. And then the resolution for the world to accept, say, yes, there's certain crime against humanity. Let's keep place the friend, slave trade. Your mama, His Excellency, was able to push that agenda. Is that not the case?
Yes.
I'm yet to see an emergency session. Resolution to be tabled by our president, forcing all the African countries and those who will just vote. So if they will not stop the xenophobic attack, let us isolate them. Have they done that? No. Why haven't we done that? And we're able to force the world. We're able to force the world to adopt and admit. And then France, or prepare, so on the watchers here, UK, they are told to America, won't you? Other countries, they are not interested to pay. But at the end of the day, it has gone in books of the history of the world, said a certain resolution tabled by the Ghana president, His Excellency your mama, which is a great achievement. Nobody could have that boldness to do that. He has done it. Next, whether they will pay or not is another thing. What is His Excellency doing about South African issue? I'm yet to see.
What problem, no?
What problem, sir? Wow, citizen and no worker. Who could find 300? Yeah? You have 300 neba a voluntary repatriation.
Yeah.
Yeah, just say, young Kwani Tisia. Plan bank and your what that's bank and on the coffee.
Yeah.
Emergency service ban at their tour. Even though any penalty has a voluntary repatriation, yeah, you will see a shock on your face. Say, a Bibedu airport, also needs body coffee. A Bibedu airport, now they can with Johnny and Wakoye, Waba, continue coffee. What is the government going to do? Have we planned that? You wait and see. Countries on my voluntary repatriation, even Liberia, come back over 10, 15 years, 20 years down. I did a voluntary repatriation. You and Befa almost from Bujumbura, Domquay. Don't do airport. Do and every time I can say, you brought me, I have nowhere to go. And the government change at moments now. We are going to experience all that because you can't bring 300 people and expect them to say, oh, we need to be free airport. Kumasi for bus are ready now. We have region bus are ready. Takrady bus are ready. Makango bus are ready. Tamale bus are ready. How are we going to send them home? Okay. Are we going to line up and give money to them? Then you want cross home to street so at the end of the day. And this is a dicey situation now. Any problem at Yadiama Ghana government. The government should say, or your Dampare, then I'm in call for him. So what do you have to respond diplomatically? Call your High Commissioner. Call him. South Africa, at the end, no need diplomatic idea. No, share their reactions because Ramaphosa cannot use Africa for his political gains. And the long and short of the story is that South Africa has no problem. The xenophobic attack and xenophobism, it is as a result of their political inefficiency, their governance inefficiencies, and the fact that from 1994 to today, they have not added to even put a 3% stock of employment. And what job is in good street so. Who tells them the history? Malema tells them the history. They decode him, and he's been saying it. So don't follow the political system. They are confusing you to misbehave. Yeah. Before I leave the public, I leave you. Mumuta said, "Get now or trigger that action, no, that activist, no. They are what to say action, no."
Hello. Hello. May say our have me can come in and wrap it up on that. Because buy no start at the end of no. Mente see ya channel, me see ya channel ne ka ho asem dia but me say our have a home and betum back na ya conclude on that angle. na achese wo hwe de awa ha ba cheche mu ache yen ya ye betimi aka se AU as an organization no na wo mo afeli because oman na member of the organization. It is omo nkrofo wo nkrofo man so na ye mpam wo mo na ye nkrofo ho na so mo nkrofo asore se wo mo mpe wo mo okrom wonom de a then say ne awa ha boka no ye responsibility for the AU say ka on be act on it. Wonim say na AU dey na AU dey AU dey no so krampo no mo ye west enra de amesinsem hu no mudi wo ho de na nya asem kito o omu rewra nkrofo shop mu a de o mehu bia no o mafa ena mo sa fa hu no mo de kro no so asan ka ho ya asem amesi ko bibini tani awa ha ba kire mu na chese aban no felie na wo hwe na se be kwatia na no aheda akwa hyehye enkrofo bi achi no ma create sa situation no e wo kroma na se wo de afam wo ye bi pan e no de fam no wi ni ye won se wasa sati aye biem because wo nim sese wa anya sa kroma fo na dwen be ye ne se wo no mom no wa feli a wantimi amma ne homoden African Union yenso yete ho ene yesoso ade aba ko awa ha ba ka mani age ho ene se o se nka by now e wo senka aban no wa call your ambassador no back to Ghana nanka asserting a strong record among say ade na ekoso no even in diplomatic space no nya de aye bojo so nanka ya hwe reaction ye kan say Ramaphosa betibi e de amaye because papa nankasa no o kasa na numaso mo ka wa bonten ko na ne actions so nko asemi ba ye as the president of the land wa granting interviews bebre aya press conferences and then some wa kan nyina one or the other no o person mani looking like on for the air coso no so ba wutie history a ene our have their mind na say underg as papa no shase o underground and na o me man krofobi kutupa o shobu kutupa and o moye ade a wo moye no ye bom pa ye se nyame behu ye mbobo na de na yankasa no aha awa ba hab na wo bisa se awa hab otimeka
aya
aha na me kasa abaya na o sha ase ne se de na wo ka no maintain se ya che no de minim se sa news no aba e na maintain ya
it is something I was expecting. I was expecting say your youthful dynamic Minister of Foreign Affairs. Some of these things Ghana and I have banter, talking nonsense against our minister.
Yeah.
I expected His Excellency, Honorable Kyeremanteng, Honorable Foreign Minister, to have issued a statement that girl is never allowed to enter Ghana. That is how you issue instructions. Every Foreign Minister, now we have a national, now commenting, who Busan said, and then they will stop coming to South Africa. A girl, the girl is not a governor.
Yeah.
The girl is not a mayor. The girl is not even a popular musician. She's just ordinary social media activist. I know her. That girl is not any municipal city executive or anybody out of South Africa government role.
Yeah.
How can such a person have some people with him and be moving from one shop and one office and to hospital to another? And nobody has called that idiot. I'm sorry, without any reservation. Nobody has called that get into books. I expected on our part for South Africa embassy here to have a message for them that particular girl, this is no modern world. People know her name. Her name is all over. We instruct Ghana that girl is bound to come to Ghana. That is what America would have done to you. That is what UK would have done to you. That is what Holland would have done to you. That is what Nigeria would have done to you. Yeah? During the COVID time, BBC here, Buhari, and the UK. Now British Airways, Edin Nyansa, because the African Yajimi. Now on only the plane, Nigeria for a war, Akoka UK, I almost compared from Nigeria, COVID. Now bring UK, Waboma, no Domaba, Abuja, Namziko Airport. Now Boma, no Domuko Lagos Airport, Mutala, or British Airways caught twice a day, and we're making it thicker. Every time, no. And a Nigeria flight, Arik. Imagine said, you have to see about you have to take advantage because Nipan be a trap or her. Be a trap when you have to take it. British was a daddy. Johnson was a daddy. Oh, Mama, okay. And Buhari said, I then Namu play in the Abamo, the Amon for COVID. Yeah, the Abahan, the COVID. Okay, Martin. And Buhari to tell woman. and will make you sure that British Airways need 2 flights, Baku ko Lagos, 2 o'clock our UK, Baku ko Lagos, Baku ko your Friday saying Abuja. Like a way land here, 30 minutes away land. We are matter for no more. Okay. And to a China, mo do Nigeria airspace. Mo do Nigeria airspace now. And His Excellency Buhari issue instructions. That the Nigeria Aviation Minister, and the Nigeria Aviation Ministry, and the airport, and Nigeria Air Force. Well, be makwai ama a yes, you go to jail. So they have to communicate to British Airways. The passengers now boarding that they can return them to London. So Okaya and San and Kombetua and Koma Moka.
Yeah.
Now here's the case. Also, the only thing you are allowed to say, Ombe maneuver a year circumferencing, Ombe fly, Ombe penny, and in the air or Nigeria airspace, yeah, fine. But to come to Nigeria, even with emergency, if any of the aircraft has an emergency, Uncle third world country or next country, about the foreign citizen, this is how Buhari solved the issue with British Airways. Either you stop or we stop, but if you stop, we come. They allow Eric to go. These are some of the things and how you harshly solve a nation's problem. And His Excellency President Mama, say I confirm the 300 number. You and I know. Yeah. Honorable Kujeto, you and I know. Say Ghana and South African, they are more than 5,000.
Exactly.
They took off 300 number. Obiwo Blanfontaine. They go on the good Limpopo. They go on the home Pretoria. Omomo Eastern Cape. Omomo Port Elizabeth. Up to Port Alfred, down Port Alfred, in the villages, in the mountains. And yes, it's a job. And she said, "Well, yes, I did not." Once in Nigeria, all governors, you heard them. Ghana and things are diplomatical. We don't do that in our parliament. Yeah. Home governor said, anybody that touches Nigeria, Nigeria should fight back. We cannot talk tough like that. Parliamentarians will not do that. But not that we stand there. It lies, it's incumbent on the next. If not anything, the African Union. The intimate bring it and for Ghana, South Africa, Ramaphosa government said, how can the president stand before the public and condemn the action and did not condemn the person who started it?
Who started it? Sure.
How up to today, South Africa wanted to show that the government is not part. How have they not arrested the guy? So you have empowered them, and they use her as a conduit for her to start. And then authority, no, hospital. Now, Obi for phone, Obi Gyamfi, foreigners in this hospital. The doctors, look at that. Police force our hospital, security force. Doctors need to stabilize you, no foreigner, Gyamfi. Can you imagine? And most of these foreigners are also fee paying. They are paying costs. When we come to South Africa, I pay costs. When come for any free medication. Yeah. Fee paying. On what instructions was he talking? How bold was he? Have you heard say Yachi movie? Debbie. Have you heard Debbie disgrace on the face in MPZ to show as a deterrent? The girl is still going about, moving about. Overnight, she has become the most popular girl in South Africa. Very popular now. Because when I triggered the xenophobic attack, you know what they do? Over I see you near me. Yeah, my chair rent 10 years. South Africa committee rent 2 years. The chair rent. And I'm doing near my good shop. Now we do Obiaba. If you run a Jimsika, our member. And it's our Baba Pamia. If you run Tempsika, the man you mean exactly. There be Omon Panisao. They bring the person, this person must continue from here. Then that's the Malema is asking, said, the moment continue, and your man a woman, one and out here, and a two rent, and you're now here, and two barbecue will be rented. So, can any government in this world, our court, our police in this world, allow that to hold? Not at all. And most of them now, Omagi home shops already, hairdressing salons, gas and hajin home, which the woman now, Omakuya, machines the woman, Oma vandalizing. What has the South African government got to do? Diplomatic speech, they are free of charge. You don't pay for it. Yeah. A president can stand on the podium and talk, excuse me, nonsense. You don't pay for it. But when it comes to initiative action, it is payable. And what action has the South African government done? Has he paid those people doing that? He hasn't paid them. not politically, not punitive, not legal, not you won't pay Obia. And how would the guys not be encouraged to go ahead? Foreign Nigeria for my Jomo cast. Obia, woman, don't be Obia. She Anthony, St. Anthony area, Sebi, I just said downtown, Obia, African no matter. When Obia, yeah, we never, we are Ghana, we are South Africa, young man, yet 777, young man, yet Zanzu. Now, we know to story. Xenophobic attack. Obi ane natina. Wawo ne ba oho. Ne banya 20 years. Or no obedi ago. Can you turn around to such a person? What dina work here muno? Two. Running a year in the map because of laziness.
Yeah.
South Africans cannot see it. Nema kwajima apartment. Nema see it. Now what you call? First floor, second floor, ground floor. And then you come here and hire a room and look at how you. How can you talk like that in this part of the world? So the HCA need them don't know about them. They're able to remove the people and go and sleep in the room and join the rest of the person's rank. What government tells me this? I am a better woman. What government? And the bit I talk about diplomatical and action and then not condemn the oppressive and what they are doing on the ground. What my culture to be again that the uncle South Africa government is market to be a shop here. Go back to your shop and the police will protect you. Look at what be that. And what are we talking about? His Excellency, what for you and I a resolution? This is the resolution I want you to table. You and your colleagues. In no time, very time, thank God, we see you on the throne of the African presidency of the African Union. Is that how we are going to sit down and look at Africa to be massacring Africans? Would that be what you do during your tenure? Answer is no. So if the answer is no, you have to act today. Because Nigerians were very jubilant. They were jubilating such you said. You came out to talk because Tinubu did not speak. So if you spoke him, please, let's move with an action. More follow the South African membership. Either than that, the Cameroon is peace. Gabon is peace. Gabon, they don't do a law. That Gabonese are because South Africa. When you have a problem, don't go to the embassy. It's on your own parent, your own fault. Because no, I want you woman. Wakofa bida. And look, your handful Gabonese don't want to cry. Handful. Wakofa woman or catch you. Gabonese be out because South Africa. A problem, a wild problem. Look at the Cameroonians, all Limpopo. They have established far longer than the Ghanaians. One baby Kakra called Limpopo, not Ghana for 100% South Africa. And see, and your man, our approach, our diplomatic approach, to me, is too slow. The response is too slow. Okay. The African Union will not do anything. The ECOWAS by now should have spoken because the ECOWAS member countries are more. Next to the frontline states. The frontline states, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. Mozambique is a South African Mandela baby tonight. Oma baby tonight. And on the ANC. They were the people who more Mozambican. Zimbabwean, Zambia. Now you hear his Lima. Zambian president. He spoke very, very sad and very angry. So how can a South African attack a Zambian? Where's this of your home? We issued you passports for you to do your political movement. Why today? Why you're lazy now in your Juma? Are we to pay for the price?
Not at all.
Pay for your own price. And in your money, for South Africa for influential bayano. The Kennedy is on the loose. Ideally, on one face, I want to go to the world, I don't think so better the frontiers and any border of South Africa because Kenya country, Ghana, that's enough, but we want to hear. And Ghana must issue instructions because if not anything in Ghana, Ghana indirectly or DDA Minister of Foreign Affairs attempt. And we have the power and authority to severe her and then cut her off. And then to tell South Africa, make them say, unless the African countries, including Ghana, and let us spearhead it. Said you and the they are near High Commissioner. I'm an nephew. Over the end, you know me problem, a Oma judgment and deal with them. The Amfana Mafia, they will not take it serious. Ramaphosa will not take it serious because I hope and yes, our law, I want you change African organization at the AU.
Have where we hear me. Mammy Miss Kweku Annan, not Minyawo. And not AU, they were you surprised as the organization Nan Kasano. I didn't see any statement coming from them condemning this.
Yeah. I've said it elsewhere. And And I said, the AU must put themselves and their heads down in shame. The year 2026, the year 2025, 2024 has registered the worst massacre, the worst killing on the African continent. And the AU has done nothing to it. Why? One, South Sudan have been fighting. This is the third year. They've killed over how many people? Over 250 to 300,000. About 15 million of them are displaced. AU Nkasai. What about Eritrea? What about Djibouti? What about Somalia? What about the Somaliland? And on let's go to Congo, Republic of Congo. Congo till today. And Toko Makunina, RUF, another president called Paul Kagame, one of the finest when it comes to, but then Paul Kagame Paya, or didn't soldiers, Ediagua Congo, Kivu, any Atanga region, or destroy Womukumomu. It is not as if it is not enough. Should there any time there Congo being a problem, no, the next virus uprising that they strike them with is Ebola. Who is causing the Ebola? Ebola is something created that the whites they use that only the countries or more your friends diamond. Once there's somebody Ebola yeah. What they buy no matter catches a monthly emergency response budget now no $319 million abrofono baba beji. Now Ebola ba menko mo kumuntefi Ebola bechi. Then they descend on the forest and start to excavate and start to steal. They start to steal the outbody. African Union knows this. Don't they know? Are they not aware? Have they spoken about it? What attempt an African Union? Yeah, Africa more. Are they normal people for solve Sudan issue? Are they normal solve Sudan issue? Are they normal solve all the African countries everywhere? There's fight, there's killings, mass display. Are they? So they cannot condemn South Africa's xenophobic attack and leave Sudan. They can condemn South Africa's xenophobic attack and leave Eritrea because they also have one of the worst bad presidents and this thing going on. They can leave South Sudan, the youngest African nation, up to today, the soldiers for peacekeeping. Why can't they? So when Sudan, and the other pretty country, no, and we didn't who. Yeah, and talk about him for you. They are all among themselves. They have triggered the war. South Sudan, therefore, they are fighting themselves. Why is African Union? And the African Union now. They say a useless organization. They don't have the power. They don't have the power, and nobody respects them. Nobody respects them. Nobody respects African Union. Because where your issue and the African Union has summoned Ramaphosa. We have the emergency system. His Excellency is aware. His Excellency, why is there ordinary Okudioto? My brother, we are advising. Every minister session comes before the African Union General Congress. And there is also a window where the foreign minister can also call for emergency session of the foreign ministers of African continent. Some may come, some may not come. The good number of the countries, you get them. Yeah. All the frontline states, they will come. All the West African countries, well, countries will be affected. It is when you call for foreign ministers meeting, and then you call your brothers, let the voices of the foreign ministers from African government talking. They interface and interact with their South African counterparts and tell them that we are not comfortable with what is happening and the solution is not strong.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.